Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to save multiple floor maps on Z60 Ultra from MOVA. On your MOVA Z60 Ultra you can go to the app, then click on the map editing button. Now you'll find multi-floor map management. Then you can find the house type. Mine is currently set to single floor, but if I change it to multi-floor, and map switching can be set, and personally I do prefer the intelligent recognition, because if you set it to manual switching you will need to manually switch, and honestly intelligent recognition is quite fast. It just moves around a little bit before it starts cleaning to make sure which floor it's on, and it automatically changes the map. So that is the thing. Then you can create a new map, place your robot somewhere else, and let it scan it. I'll do it. First you need to move manually the robot. Don't move the station. There's no need for that, and it actually may cause some problems if you move the station. Just move the robot to the other floor and then create a new map, so I'll do it. Now let's create a new map. You can see it shows you to open all the rooms you want the robot to clean all the cables and everything, of course. Next step. Okay. Now you can either clean and map, so it'll automatically already start cleaning, and while cleaning it'll map, or do fast mapping. I'll do fast mapping.
Start mapping. It will take about 5 to 10 minutes.
And now it will start moving around. I restricted the area on purpose just so, because of that, it can take like, I don't know, 1 minute, up to 1 minute. We'll just rotate around a few times and that's it, because I just wanted to make it quick. Now it has scanned the very tiny area I created for it. The problem is that it is trying to return to the dock, but of course there's no chance for it since there's no dock in that area. So I'll just click on the map. I'll go to multi-floor map management. I'll click on save.
Task ends.
Now let's click on save again. And yeah, there it is. So now I'll select that it's correct. This is my map, and it will automatically change between the maps, which means if I had moved it to a different spot, to the other floor, then it would automatically recognize it as I started the cleaning task, or I can manually switch them like that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.